Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a 1956 Packard Clipper. Definitely an older restoration. A lot of really cool features on this car. I was just kind of poking around and looking at. I mean, look at that emblem on the front. It's literally a ship's steering wheel. Very cool. Nice big bumpers. It's got a push button transmission. Runs really nice. Great ornament. Opposing wipers, another cool thing. Power windows. Tons of chrome. Super straight body on this car. Just a gorgeous interior too. You don't have to be a captain to drive it. Probably would help. Yeah, power windows, and there's like a silver in the interior. Very cool. Look at that push button transmission. And the dash is this gorgeous, like jewelry. AM radio does not work. Cool. Love the ribs on the headliner too. Very unique. A lot of room in the back seat. Look at the pattern on the back of the seat. Really neat. Big car. And the keyhole for the trunk, it's hidden in the middle of the steering wheel. Cool. Neat. Tons of stainless and chrome. Looks like it was restored in the 90s. Neat. Cool guides on the wipers too. Cool. Very unique. A little saggy back here. I'm sure that can be fixed though. Man, you can pile the whole family in this car. Runs really nice. Man, that's a heavy hood. New carburetor, new battery, new fuel filter. As you can see, it's super solid. No power antenna. A lot of great options for this car for the year. Power steering. Looks like all the lights and everything work. Cap, rotor, wires, plugs, it's all tuned up. Fires right up too. There's a little hidden button over here. Power windows. There it goes. Pretty neat. I love how it's a hardtop too. Super straight body too. It's solid. I got tons of pictures of the undercarriage too. Check out. This is a glove box insert. You're gonna need a new one of those. It's unique. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Levy Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's webeautos.com.